Guys, today in this video we will learn how to make a web page using Bootstrap example elements in HTML. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the browser and go to getbootstrap.com website. Click on this link and click on this button. Go to next. So now under getting started, on introduction page you have to copy this link. So copy this link and paste it under the head section. So we have pasted this under the head section. So now we have to write a code to make a web page. So let's get started. So I have written the code for the web page. Now we have to go to the website again and copy the script bootstrap.js. Now get back to our code and then paste it here. Let's go to live server and check our web page. So you can see this is our web page. Welcome to my website button, contact us. So we have successfully created a web page using Bootstrap example elements. So thank you guys, hope you like it. Subscribe for the channel for more related videos.